Want to build muscle, perform better at the gym, and stay healthy overall? Let's talk about the power of a balanced diet and how it fuels your fitness journey. What is a balanced diet? A balanced diet provides your body with all the essential nutrients it needs without excess or deficiency. It includes a mix of macronutrients like carbs, protein, and fat, micronutrients like vitamins and minerals, and yes, hydration too. A balanced diet is about variety, moderation, and purpose, especially when your goal is muscle growth or overall well being. Carbohydrates, your energy source, 40 to 50% of daily calories. Carbs fuel your workouts and help you recover by replenishing glycogen stores. Focus on complex carbs like oats, brown rice, sweet potatoes, fruits and veggies, legumes. Tips: limit refined sugar, skip the soda and processed snacks. Proteins, the muscle builders, 20 to 30% of daily calories. Protein repairs and builds muscle. Include chicken, turkey, lean beef, fish like salmon or tuna, eggs and dairy, plant-based options like tofu, lentils, and beans, and of course, protein powders. Tips: spread your protein intake throughout the day. Aim for 20 to 40 grams per meal for optimal muscle growth. Fats, for hormones and absorption, 20 to 30% of daily calories. Healthy fats support hormone production, like testosterone, key for muscle building. Go for avocados, nuts and seeds, olive oil. Fatty fish like mackerel. Tip: avoid trans fats and deep-fried junk. Micronutrients, the unsung heroes. They support your immune system, bones, and metabolism. Eat a rainbow of veggies like spinach, carrots, and bell peppers, fruits, whole grains, dairy, and fortified foods. Tips: you may not need supplements if you eat a wide variety, but consult your doctor if you're deficient. Fiber, for digestion and gut health. Fiber keeps your gut happy and your blood sugar stable. Get it from whole grains, legumes, fruits, veggies, nuts, and seeds. Aim for 25 to 38 grams daily. Hydration, the game changer. Water is essential for muscle function, performance, and recovery. Aim for 2 to 3 liters daily, or more if you're sweating it out at the gym. Add electrolyte drinks for intense sessions. Daily meal plan. Breakfast, oatmeal plus berries plus protein, chia seeds. Snack, Greek yogurts, almonds. Lunch, grilled chicken, quinoa, veggies. Snack, apple, peanut butter. Dinner, salmon, sweet potato, spinach. And of course, plenty of water throughout the day. Remember, you don't need a fad diet, you need a balanced one. Fuel your body, train smart, recover well, and the results will follow. Thanks for watching.